Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. So, for today, I'm doing another fall makeup look. So my face is already on, and now, ow, did I hit my butt? Okay. So I'm going to be using this Fall Romance Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and these shades are amazing. I know that the names are upside down, but look. Oh my god. They're so pretty. My eyes are primed, and I'm now going to go in with, let's see, actually, I don't know. First time I'm looking at this. So, let's see. This is an interesting group of shades. I'm gonna go in with Mulberry and put that in my crease. And the brushes are still wet, but whatever, it's fine. It actually has a nice finish when the brush is wet. This is more of like a purple brown. Not so much purple actually, a little bit more brown, but it does have an undertone of purple in it, which is interesting. Because in the palette, it does not look purple whatsoever. But I am thinking of doing, what? I don't even know. I'm going to put the shade Crimson in my outer crease. This is very dark, but I don't mind it. Just make sure you really blend it out. Because I really smoke this out, but I am gonna have to clean this up. Oh, well, actually that works. And now for my lids, I'm gonna go in with Fireside and put that on the outer portion of my lid. It's like a gold shade, and let's see how gold it is. There's a lot of fallout. Oh wow. Yeah, that is intense. Wow. Okay, well, I'm going to now take Divine and put that on my lids. I usually put like a darker shade on my lower lash line, but I think I'm gonna try and put it on my lids, on the center, and see how that works. And I am now going to take Crown, which is this green shade, and put it in my inner corner. Now I usually don't do this, but I want to try it out. Oh, okay, wait. I kind of like it. Kind of gives Halloween, but you know what? It's all good. This would actually be like a really nice palette for that, like green, purple. I'm not mad at it. This is interesting because I never really do like a green shimmer ever, but this is nice. Well, let me just fix up my lid because it kind of went on the purple a little. Now let me fix up the gold. I want like each shade to have this moment on my lid. Like a 3-shade lid, which I like. Now to touch up the crease, so let's do that. And now for the bottom, I'm going to put Moonlight, and this is like an iridescent purple, like a lavender or periwinkle, I don't even know. But I'm putting that on my lower lash line to see how that is. It's very light, wow. It is pretty. It's very light though. You have to really pack it on if you want it to stand out. Oh my god, this is so light. And I think now I'm going to do a wing with, should I do it with green? Oh my god. Let's see, Crimson. There's also Midnight. No. Let's see how that works. So I do still have on mascara from before, but this is basically how the eye look turned out. And I really like it. I'm gonna use this for Halloween actually. Really nice fall, bold eye look. So what do you guys think? I like it and you should get it. If you like Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the Fall Romance palette and I like the shades I did.